It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, the Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to change language in Google Chrome, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Google tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to change the language in Google Chrome. A step-by-step tutorial. You change to whatever language of your choice. So let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is to click on your Chrome browser. You can do this with just your phone, okay? Then it opens up this page. Next thing you want to do is to click on these three dots at the top right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Then you have to simply scroll down and look for languages. Then for you to change your language, just simply click on here, current device language. Click on that. Then you will see variety of languages available on Google Chrome that you can simply click and change. So immediately you select any language right here, it automatically change all the language in your Google Chrome browser. So this is how to change your Chrome browser, Chrome browser language, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.